Welcome to this video on how top companies use Polarion ALM in product development. Polarion ALM is a critical tool for modern application lifecycle management. In fast-paced industries, smarter product development management is essential for collaboration and delivering high-quality products faster. Polarion ALM is a powerful application lifecycle management platform, widely used across diverse industries like automotive, healthcare, and software development. Learning Polarion ALM opens up high-demand career opportunities across various industries. Professionals with expertise in application lifecycle management are sought after globally. Key roles include Polarion ALM Consultant, ALM Engineer, and Requirements Engineer. Top global companies trust Polarion ALM for improved efficiency, collaboration, and quality. It is a centralized platform connecting requirements, testing, development, and compliance activities. Its end-to-end traceability is a key feature, helping track every requirement and defect throughout the product lifecycle. Polarion ALM offers advanced features for efficient product development, lifecycle management, improving collaboration and quality. Key features include requirements management, allowing teams to capture and track requirements with real-time collaboration. It also provides complete end-to-end traceability, connecting all phases in a single platform. The benefits of using Polarion ALM include improved collaboration through a centralized platform. This allows seamless work between developers, testers, and stakeholders. It also enables faster product development by integrating management, testing, and project tracking, reducing delays and speeding up delivery. In conclusion, Polarion ALM is an essential solution for modern product development. Top companies use it to improve collaboration, manage requirements, and accelerate development. Its capabilities like end-to-end traceability, test management, and agile integration make it a preferred choice worldwide. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please visit our website or contact us directly.